Dear devotees of Karachi ISKCON, Hari Bol, please accept my obeisances. Please accept my obeisances, dear God brothers. Shripad Gopal Krishna Goswami Maharaj, Shripad Giriraj Goswami Maharaj, please accept my obeisances at your lotus feet. Srila Prabhupada ki jai. Sri Sachinandana Gaur Hari ki jai. Sri Sri Radha Gopinatha ki jai. Hare Krishna. Srila Prabhupada must be deeply overjoyed to know that his Ishtadev, his beloved Radha Govinda, is going to make their appearance in your city of Karachi to bless your congregation, to bless the entire city. Surely you're the recipients of the mercy of our entire Guru Parampara for undertaking such an important mission. May Lord Nisringadev, the all-merciful Lord Nisringadev, give you his mercy, protection, and keep you close to his lotus feet in this important endeavor. Hare Krishna. Srila Prabhupada ki jai.